this is the moment of truth.
I don't think we've ever sweated so much in our lives.
I am in the dark, mate. I can't see a thing. Let's go and have a look at it in the sun.
Yeah, let's. I think we've done enough today.
Just as you're getting a TV studio.
Right then, so as you may have seen on last week, Adi was busy building the light rig to go above the pod, so we get better light for the live streams and for painting in. So now we've got to figure out where the power's going to go, which sockets are going to go into, what's going to come out, and potentially what we might have to reroute. So that's what we're going to go and have a look for now. Right, so that's our solution. Good old extension lead, mind you, that's all we need because the wattages are quite small. So we'll keep the existing lighting rig on, which also powers one of the cameras, and then the two that come over the top will pop into there. So as long as we know now, we've just got to make where the wires come out so that we meet the plug in the middle. Beautiful. Right, so this is the moment of truth. We're now going to see whether our first light rig works. Ready? Go. Yay! Let there be light. Awesome. Well done, mate. You should take a bow.
Oh, let's wait till we get it there. Yeah.
Look at that, guys. So that's the first two panels already. Right. Now is the fun bit. We've got to try and get these up over the pod. Right, now Adi's going to try and throw the plug over and I'm going to try and catch it. Let's see if we manage that, shall we?
Are you ready?
I am ready, mate, whenever you want. Oh, ta-da! Hey, that's the main lights gone off. This is the big test. So Adi's put the main lights off. Now he's going to switch off the lights around that you can see. Then we're going to put the panel lights on. So are you ready? Here we go. Lights off whenever you... Yeah, lights off.
Okay, you're in the dark?
I'm in the dark.
Okay, here we go.
Do it. Whoa, awesome. It's so even, mate.
Yes.
Even in this, look, there's no shadow, there's no nothing.
Yeah.
By lighting it from above.
So.
Might not look like that on screen if you're watching this, but I can assure you, it is now just with one series of panels in light daylight. So that is the main lights back on. What a difference. So I think when all of these panels are in, mate, it's literally like a football field. There we go, guys. So, first lighting rig, done.
Okay, so as if that wasn't hard enough, and bear in mind, I don't think we've ever sweated so much in our lives because it's very hot up in the ceiling. We're now going to do that all over again.
A few moments later.
Right, we're in total darkness now. I am in the dark, mate. I can't see a thing. Let's see what happens now when the lights go on. Whoa! We have light! Yes! Works! Awesome! Oh, it's got dark again.
Right, in 3, 2, 1. Now you get sudden massive exposure as the camera is trying to adjust for it. But doesn't that look like Ed's on a sunny beach somewhere? Yeah. And let's plunge him into... Oh!
Oh my word, it works. Amazing.
And then I'll just walk you in. So you can see now as it stands, we've switched off all of our other lights, all of our standing lights. So we're not running any other lights. So here we go, and off. And it is literally pitch black. Now, bearing in mind it is what, 3:30?
Yeah.
Something like that.
3:30, mate.
Without lights, this is what it's like in here at 3:30 on a sunny day.
Oh.
And there he is.
Bear in mind also, there should be 6 lights in here that are on, plus all the fluorescence on the outside, which is normally how we light it. So this is just, as Adi said, being lit from the panels we just put in. Remember, this part, we've still got to do the lighting rigs.
Yeah.
So we're just trying to figure out if we need, I mean, there's 8 panels in there, whether we need another 8 panels for that end as well. So we'll figure that out. But hopefully, within a short space of time, we should be able to do the same over there. And then the whole thing will literally be lit up like, well, a very, very bright day. That's great, mate.
Yes.
That's superb.
Yeah. It's looking good.
Right, so finally,
after having got the 2 rigs up. Adie's now going to measure up for the 2 remaining rigs, which have got at the back. I'm going to break off now and get some prep done for tomorrow because I should have been painting today, but things have taken a different turn. So I'm going to get the pod emptied. Going to get the canvases out on the floor, get the new paints on, get all the paints set up, ready for I'm going to use tomorrow. I'm going to come in early and start on a couple of client commissions and get some canvas cut, etc, etc. And that's what I'm going to do next. Right, that's better. I've decommissioned a couple of lights. Got 2 canvases fresh for tomorrow. Repositioned some lights at the back. Got my new paint delivery racked away and rotated. Bench clear with the colours I'm going to start with tomorrow. What else? Hey, bin emptied, yes. So apart from getting the next light rig in here, I'm at least ready to start tomorrow. So I'm going to come in nice and super early, if I can get out of bed, and make a start on those 2, which are for a client. If you're new here and like what we do, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Tuesday. Almost forgot then what day of the week it was. I've only been here one day. I'm in a little bit earlier today, mainly before the heat gets too severe and it becomes really quite difficult to work, even though we are going to be doing a lot of work today. But as far as the painting goes, the pod gets very hot. So just thought I'd come in just before the temperature really starts to rise and work on a couple of commissions for a client. So that's what I am going to do now. Okay, painting's gone really well. Super happy with the results so far. I'll have to go back in a little bit later, maybe in a couple of hours, when some of those layers have started to cure, slow down, so I can put some more stuff over the top. Other than that, happy days. Got some client paperwork to sort out now. Got to sort out which paintings are going out to which clients, because there's one on Friday, one the following Monday. So just need to have all that prepped and ready to go and sorted out ahead of time. Yeah, so I'm going to sort that out now, have a quick coffee, then Adie will be here, and then we'll bang on with the lighting rig.
Right guys, so we're just about to set up for rig 3. We've got to get it down the side here and then up and over onto the top, because we're going to go on the far side of the pod now. We'll see how that goes. Right, that is finally the 3rd rig up. We're going to have a look now. Right, this is with rig number 3. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa, look at that exposure, trying to get to that exposure. Now, how much closer to daylight? So let's go in there and actually have a look. See where we're at. This is 3 rigs in now. Wow. Wow, it's really starting to get bright in here now.
So this is the one, isn't it? We just put it
Yeah,
in here.
3rd rig up here, and then the 4th one when they turn up. We'll go over this side, but that is 3 out of 4 rigs in here, and that is really starting to look like daylight.
I've never ever seen it like this in here. We're going to go off. 3, 2, 1.
And I mean, you know, as we said from what we were doing yesterday, which is obviously probably a couple of minutes ago, pitch black. Right, hit it.
3, 2, 1. And we've got it on a remote.
Look at it pulling these colours up.
I know, mate. I know.
Really pulling the colours out of these now.
I don't think the colours have ever looked so good.
No, they look pretty incredible.
Literally have never looked so good.
What a difference.
Amazing, mate.
What a huge difference.
Love that. And actually, the serious note is when you watch the live streams, of which there'll be a link down below anyway, so go check out certainly the latest ones. There should be a big difference. That's in terms of colour and brightness. Be no more, direct pulls of light, reflecting off everything. This is all lit from the top, just as you get in a TV studio. So that's the lengths we've gone to try and make the broadcast as best we can, because we just follow the principles of lighting from above, which is what they do in TV studios. So I can't wait to give that a go.
Time to tidy this table.
Oh, it's time to christen a new stapler. Right, here we go.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Let me just explain to you. We're going to take it out in the sunshine, but this is a commission painting. Hopefully going out to a client, well, some point this week. So let's go and have a look at it in the sun.
Yeah, let's.
Amy's just finished stretching it around the frame. What about
Look
that
at
then, dude?
that.
How does that look?
Beautiful.
Now we did use a very, very unusual technique to paint this. I'm not sure if we've got any footage of it because we didn't do it on a live stream, but it involves a rotating barrel, a piece of canvas underneath. So I'll pop some links to something so you can actually see that process working. We'll pop it down in the description, probably pop one up in the corner of the screen. Do go check it out because honestly, you've probably never seen anything like it. But when you get it right, that is the result.
I think we've done enough today, and I say it's still being 33 degrees in here, and it's time to go home.
Thanks, mate.